The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness has not overcome it. John chapter 1 verses 5. Let me take you back to the memory lane. Today we'll be making this simple Ampesi recipe with some roasted tomato and hot pepper dip. It is super easy, and I am so positive that these are the kind of food that need to be called fast food in Ghana. It is absolutely healthy and pocket friendly, and it's just so delicious and tasty. If you want to learn how this is made, this super quick and easy meal, please stay tuned and let's whip this under 15 minutes. Let's get started. So for this recipe, you need very few ingredients, and these ingredients are super easy to get. I have my fresh tomatoes, some pepper, onions, and for our proteins we have some eggs, some sardines, and some smoked mackerel. And we are not forgetting about our salted cured fish. Here we are using some super cool. You can also use momone as well, smoked mackerel, and we'll be using here today some fresh green plantains and some salted taste. You can also go ahead and use cassava, cocoyam, or even yam. All right. So to begin with, I'll go ahead and slice my tomatoes. I will be pan grilling this. So if you have access to coal pot or charcoal pot, it is actually the best way. That way you don't even have to slice them like this. I'm going to grill it for about 3 to 4 minutes on both sides until they turn this beautiful color. These tomatoes are on fire. They are looking absolutely gorgeous. I will go ahead and add my super cool as well. Choose to use momone, works perfect. I'm going to grill that for about 5 minutes as well, and I will then go ahead and wash my plantains and peel them off. Very important key here is once you're done peeling off your plantain, please use your knife to scrub it like as you're seeing on your screens. It helps this plantain to be crunchy and very delicious and tasty. This is something that we've been doing since, and I find it really nice. Anytime that I boil plantain without doing that, I don't really like the results. So please do well to scrub it off, okay? And you can decide to actually cut it in any size that you prefer. If in Ghana you can go for the short, very smallish plantain, it is called oniaba, and it has no seed in it. It's actually the best for this recipe, okay? So right now everything has been peeled and nicely done. We're going to add it to our bowl right now, and to that we'll add some eggs and our pepper. This recipe needs to be spicy. That is what makes the difference. Make sure you add lots more spice to it because of the sardine, especially the sardine oil that we'll be using there. You need to add extra pepper. So here I have 2 habanero pepper. Let me tell you, habanero pepper, they are very strong. And I'm going to season it and add some water and then boil it for about 10 minutes, okay? Meanwhile, our tomatoes are almost ready, so I am going to go ahead and start by grinding process. I will start off by grinding my onions. I'll add a little bit of salt. It makes the grinding process very easy. And to that, there is one important ingredient that you do not have to leave it out. It is a statement in this dish. That is the head of your mackerel, okay? Do not throw it away. Do not throw it away. Please, fetch him. grind it together with all your vegetables and you are going to love the end result. It is very, very important. Okay, so once I am done, I'm going to check on my super cool. You can use more money if that's the case, and I'm going to grind that as well. Listen, the aroma, pure and authentic. So I'll go in and add my vegetables. I will begin with my cooked pepper. Yes, I cooked it together with the plantain, but it was time for us to get that out. It took just 2 minutes for it to get ready. So grind that very well and then go ahead and introduce your very pretty pan grilled tomatoes. They are so beautiful. Grind them bit by bit until you are done with everything, okay? So now that we are almost done with the grinding process, we need to make sure to taste for salt, and if you feel like the need to add, please go ahead and add it. I tasted it was fine with me because remember, beginning we added the salt at the very beginning and we don't have to adjust it or anything. Okay, so we are done, family. It is absolutely delicious, very nutritious, and very time friendly as well. So today I'm not using any palm oil. I'm using the oil that comes with a sardine. You can actually decide not to use any type of oil at all and you will be fine. Once I'm done, I'll just add my sardines, my mackerel, and also avocados, which is quite optional in this recipe, but it goes so well. So while preparing everything, the plantain and the eggs are ready now. Add in about a cup of water or 2 cups of cold water, and in Ghana this is termed as asonson. It means the plantain becomes super crunchy and delicious. We love it that way. Try it and let me know how you like it. Okay, you absolutely going to love this. Add in your eggs and chop few onions for that extra crunch, and you are going to enjoy this so much. So there you have it, family. The simplicity of this dish is just phenomenal. You need to give this a try and let me know in the comment section how you like it. Okay, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share to a few friends and family as well. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.